Welcome to my channel, LuxuryCar001. Today, we are diving into one of the most insane and powerful machines on the planet, the $300,000 Rezvani Hercules 6x6 monster. Get ready, because this isn't just any truck, it's a beast that redefines what it means to be extreme in the world of luxury vehicles. The Rezvani Hercules 6x6 looks like it drove straight out of a futuristic action movie. With 6 massive wheels, a heavily armored body, and an aggressive stance, this vehicle is built to dominate both the road and the roughest terrains imaginable. At first glance, it demands respect, and once you hear what's under the hood, you'll understand why. The Hercules 6x6 is powered by a 7.0-liter supercharged V8 engine that produces an astonishing 1,300 horsepower. That's right, 1,300 horses packed into a military-grade truck made for the civilian world. Rezvani didn't just stop at power. They made sure that the Hercules 6x6 was ready for anything. It comes with an optional bulletproof package that includes armor plating, bulletproof glass, underside explosive protection, and even military-grade run-flat tires. You can also upgrade to features like a smoke screen system, thermal night vision, electromagnetic pulse protection, and even electrified door handles to fend off attackers. It's practically a tank disguised as a luxury off-roader. Inside the Hercules, you'll find a world of comfort and cutting-edge technology. The cabin is completely customizable with premium leather seats, a high-end sound system, touchscreen displays, and modern conveniences like wireless charging and 360-degree camera views. Despite its aggressive exterior, once you step inside, it feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. Rezvani really nailed the balance between rugged strength and pure opulence. And let's talk about those 6 wheels. The Hercules 6x6 isn't just for show. The extra axle gives it incredible off-road capabilities, better traction, and added stability over uneven surfaces. Whether you're conquering a rocky mountain trail, blazing through a desert, or simply making a bold statement on city streets, the Hercules 6x6 is designed to handle it all effortlessly. Plus, with a towing capacity that's off the charts, it's not just about speed and looks, it's about real utility too. This monster of a machine starts at around $300,000, but with all the upgrades and options, the price can climb even higher. For those who want the ultimate statement piece, who want a vehicle that says power, luxury, and invincibility all at once, the Rezvani Hercules 6x6 is the ultimate dream ride. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look into the world of extreme luxury vehicles, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. I'm just getting started bringing you the most insane, rare, and jaw-dropping cars on the planet. Stay tuned, because what's coming next is even crazier. This is LuxuryCar001, and I'll see you in the next video.